Okay, may naghamon na naman sa akin dito bilang kapalit ng Starlight kaya let's go. Pero bago natin simulan ang laban, kung di ka pa nakafollow sa Facebook page ko, maaaring paki-like and follow na lang para sa mga content na kagaya nito.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Dito nagpasadya talaga ako magpapita sa kanya para ganahan siya.
That's it. Trying to escape?
Sana maging masaya ka na dyan. At dito pagkapitas ko sa kanya biglang may sinabi siya.
Pag natalo ka Starlight,
Oo naman Lods, basta lakasan mo lang para nakakuha ka ng Starlight.
Petty tricks. On my words. Now.
Panoorin nyo guys kung matatalo niya ba ako at kung makuha niya ba ang Starlight.
Boring. On my words. Now. You better watch. On my words. Now. Watch my trick. On my words. Let's get that with you. Boring. Bullseye. Watch my off with you. On my words. Now.
You have slain an enemy!
Petty tricks. On my.
Your team destroyed a